today I will be putting you guys on the secret on how to make a ton of money this Black Friday. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. But before I start, just know that the advice that I'm about to tell you, it goes for all businesses across the board. Concrete, candles, clothing brand, SMMA marketing, whatever you do, what I'm about to tell you will work for your business. So go ahead, get a pen, get a pencil, let's get started. So let's go ahead and start off things with a banger. This right here, I recommend 10 out of 10. It works magically every single time, and that is running ads. You can never go wrong running ads, especially since Black Friday is around the corner. If you're watching this video, Black Friday will be tomorrow, and then Cyber Monday follows. So be ready to dump a ton of money into ads. But what I will tell you is that you should already have that post, that video that you already ran ads on in the past, and it went crazy. Like, it converted a ton of sales for you, it got a ton of leads for you, and then you turn those into customers or clients, and then they bought your product, your service, whatever. But you should have those 1, 2, 3, whatever, how many videos or posts, photos, that you know that if I put $10,000 into ads, I'm gonna get 20,000, I'm gonna get another 10,000 out, I'm gonna get 50,000 out, whatever. You shouldn't be last minute, I'm gonna just go this right here, and then boom, it's not gonna work. You're gonna get like 3 sales, and then you don't end up spending $5,000 in the ads. So you need to have them post ready and just go all in. I'm trying to tell you guys, go all in. People are buying now. Now is the perfect time. There's like 20% of people, a few people that still go do their Black Friday shopping at the mall or wherever they go. That's a small group of people. But most of the world is online, and they are online shopping for deals and steals. So run ads, get your product, get your business, get your service in front of their face. So some platforms that I do recommend is Instagram, TikTok, Google, and then of course, the platform that you're watching this video on, YouTube. So whatever platform works best for you, or if you have a different platform from what I said, use that. But just know, go all in on ads. So let's go ahead and get to the second method, and that is organic. But with organic, I will say that you need to post. You need to post, 3 views, 6 views, 8 views, post. It doesn't matter. You're doing it organically, it's not gonna hurt you. Post. If you want your post to go viral, run ads, my boy. I don't know what to tell you. There's nothing you can do. Either the video is good or it's bad. There's no in between. No matter what hashtag you use, if you post at 3:36 p.m. on a Tuesday, it doesn't matter. If the video is bad, it's not gonna perform well. So with organic, you gotta just hope that you're recording a really good video that's engaging with the audience. The more replies, comments, shares, that's how you know that video will go viral. But if it doesn't have any comments, replies, shares, it's not gonna go viral, my boy. I'm trying to tell you. But with organic, you need to post on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I already said TikTok, but you need to post on everything. You always need to be posting. There's no breaks. On TikTok, I recommend 2 to 4 times a day. Don't go over 4 times, because then your views kind of just like tank a little bit. But on Instagram Reels, you could post like back to back. They don't care. Every single Instagram Reel, it'll go viral. They don't really have like a time limit in between how many posts you could do or how long to wait in between this Instagram Reel. So you need to be posting, post. Also, when you're running ads, make sure to promote your Black Friday sale. Say, hey, 75% off the whole entire website, or 50% off XYZ products, or 35 if you spend over $35, free shipping, and then 10% off, or buy 2 get 1 free sale. So whatever you want to do, whatever works for your business, go do that. Make sure to promote it when you're running ads or organic or whatever you're about to do. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the third method. So the third thing is email SMS marketing. So if you already have an email list built up for your brand, that's amazing. But if you do not have one built up, just do it anyways. So what you can do, email your clients. You should already have a list like 10,000, 5,000, 20,000, like 100,000, whatever. Hey, make sure to keep everything short. Keep the email title short. Keep the subject line short. Keep the email body short. Put like a little image, whatever. saying, hey, 50% off, whatever, and then explain it a little bit, saying, hey, this is how long it lasts from XYZ to ZYZ, and then put the little shop now link. That is always an option, but no matter how small your email list is, send it out anyways. Make sure to keep it nice and short. Make sure to also include the link so they can go right to your website, because they're not gonna go click the email, read it, and then go out of the email app and then go to Safari and then go type in your website and then go buy. So just make everybody's lives easier. Put your website link in the email. That's common sense. So that is the third option, but I'm gonna go ahead and rank these from best to worst. First off, ads, so always be your first priority. That will get you those new clients that you can't get organically. It will put it in front of people's face so you don't have to. Ads are always working 24/7, so while you're asleep, your ads are still running. You don't have to post, you don't have to do nothing. Just let it sit there and it'll do its thing by itself. Second, I really do like organic. And then third, email, SMS marketing. That will have to go last for me. But at the end of the day, all business is just marketing, marketing, marketing. Whatever you can do to get new customers in, do it, and do it perfectly. So do not sleep. What I really recommend you guys do is do all three. First of all, run ads on a little Black Friday post. Second of all, post on TikTok, Instagram from Friday all the way to Cyber Monday, promoting your sale. And then third, throughout those 4 days, you can send out like 2-3 emails saying, hey, this is on sale, hey, sell in soon, hey, blah, 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 blah. So that's what I really recommend you guys do. Implement all three of those strategies, and trust me, you will have no problem making from what, 1,000, depending on how big or small your business is, 1,000 to $1 million within these 4 days, or within Friday all the way till next week or in 2 weeks. So you take this advice as you shall, go implement it, go crazy, and also down below, go comment which one helped you the best. Because please, I would love to hear it. I would love to see the comments say, hey, Kelly Kid, I watched this video, I did XYZ, and then boom, I made $300, I made $3,000, I made $300,000, like whatever. Go comment down below if this video was helpful, and also let me know how much you made. Go plug your clothing brands down below, whatever you want to do. Just go get them sales, and I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video. I really, like, from the bottom of my heart, hope that this video helped you guys get more sales this Black Friday. And also just know, if you are watching this video after Black Friday and Cyber Monday, it is not too late. You have from Black Friday all the way until Christmas to make that money, because people are buying. From the time Black Friday starts to the time Christmas ends, people are online shopping for deals and steals for the Christmas season. Because guess what? Theft, robberies, store robberies, all this, people spending, blah blah blah, whatever they're doing, they're getting gifts for their family, kids, brother, sister. And then here's Christmas, right here, it's at an all-time high. Here's Christmas, here's the day of Christmas. Yep, here's the day of Christmas right here. Kind of goes down a little bit, you know, people not buying, they already got the gifts, whatever. And then boom, after Christmas, here's the 1st of January. Boom, look, it's all right here. Here's Christmas, 1st of January. Boom, all the way down. So just know, after Christmas, people are broke. They don't rob out of stores, they don't spend their whole entire paychecks, they don't give away, I don't know, whatever they be doing out here. I don't know what y'all be doing. Whatever they be doing to get money, to give gifts, whatever. All the gifts are gone. Everybody's happy now. They got that dream car, they got the iPad, they got the AirPods, they got the new Spider hoodie, they got $1,000, whatever. It's all gone. So just know, the main people who are gonna start spending after that is not gonna be the adults. It's more than likely gonna be like the teenagers like us, our age, or if you're like 17, 18, or 13, let's say 13 all the way to 19 watching the video, your parents gave you 1,000. That's, I feel like in the January time frame, that's gonna be the people who are gonna be buying. They're gonna be spending all their Christmas money on clothes and shoes and stupid stuff pretty much. So take advantage of them too also. But anyways, yeah, once January hits, Q1, because right now it's Q4, the best time of year for e-commerce. But once Q1 hits, sales, just don't be disencouraged once your sales like kind of like drop. So just know, or for some business, most, hey, this is not for all, but some, hey, January it goes up like crazy. But it just depends on what industry you're in. Some industries, they go crazy in different quarters, and some kind of like plummet. So it all really depends. So I wish you guys the best, and just know it is Q4. You guys need to lock in with your business. You need to lock in with your service. product, whatever you're doing, clothing brand, concrete, construction, whatever, you need to lock in with it because you have until January 1st to get it on lock. All right, with that being said, I'm out. Let's get to this money. Peace.